Hello everyone, welcome back to Faewood Mead, or welcome to Faewood Mead. If it's your first time here, thank you for joining us. Come on in. It's pretty chill over here, know what I'm saying? We got Fig, Pear, Almond, 1 year tasting, 9%. Actually it's over, it's over here now. Bottle check. Aha, is good, okay. We'll just go with that, close that baby right up. Okay. Woo, holy moly. Wow, that is a big aroma. I got the pears, I got the figs, I got the almond. It's all there, baby. And it smells delightful. It smells so good. It reminds me of like a princess cake, like the marzipan, just, marzipan cake is so good. Don't smell any alcohol, like there's no alcohol burn on the nose. Well, this is only 9%. I went really light here for a minute because I wanted to start drinking my own mead more. Well, let's go. Ooh. It's so smooth. It has a very full mouthfeel. That's the only way to describe it. Like there's just this smooth feeling over your tongue, and it almost gives like a viscous kind of vibe, but it's not viscous. How do I describe that? The almond is far more integrated now than it was before. Because I think it was sort of like a ride where you experience like figs, pears, almonds, you know, and you sort of trail off with the almond. Now it's much more integrated, and it's just this lovely marzipan-like cover over the figs and the pears. I don't want to call it a cover because it doesn't hide them. Everyone's pretty equal in this game here, I think. This mead. I am shooketh, actually, at how nice that is. I will link the video down below, and it will pop up at the end of the video as well, like a little end screen click. You can just click on that baby if you want to watch it, if you haven't seen it, or if you just want like a refresher. I think the year did it well, and I'm sure that it was similar to this earlier than when I've drunk it, because I don't remember the last time I had it. It's been some months, and it has continued to kind of transform in that time. With such a low ABV, I don't know, it's tricky. I think really the 12% is ideal because then your beverages will hold on longer since the alcohol acts as a preservative. I've heard that lower ABV hit their peak sooner than higher ABV meads, you know? I don't think I would want to let this sit for like 5 years, for example. But right now it's still really good. Even at a year plus, it's killing it. Super smooth, everything is well balanced, and the honey of course is quite present. This was back sweetened quite a bit, so it is like technically sweet. This is a pretty decent like dessert like mead, but it's not cloyingly sweet, you know? It doesn't like burn your throat. Oh my god, I could drink this whole freaking thing. I'm very happy with that. I don't think this is one that I set bottles aside for competitions. I don't think so, unfortunately. Although I could make this again fairly easily because I do have access to fresh figs. But really it's the dried figs that make a big difference in the flavors. And then yeah, when pears are in season, get some pears, ferment on those babies, and almond paste from amaretti, and you're good to go. I'm also a big fan of sweeter, fuller meads. So alter things to how you like them, whatever your taste is, you know, do whatever's best for you. Well, this was great. I feel like I need to start asking in the beginning of my videos for folks to like and subscribe if they haven't. I would like to hit 6,000 subbies. That would be awesome. I do have a lot of links down below. I've got like my Patreon, I have YouTube memberships. I have Amazon links if you're brand new to mead making, if you're not really sure if this is something you want to get into, if you don't know what to buy. I do have links to create like a decent little beginner kit. That's about it. So thank you so much for being here, for watching. I appreciate your support so much. You're awesome. Mwah. Okay, love you. Bye.